Okay, let's go on to question 8. It shows a simple home theater system consisting of a loudspeaker television set connected to the 240 volts mains power supply. So it's not connected yet. Um, it says the television set is rated 60 watt, 240 volts, which means that it will be operating at the optimal power at 240 volts. The loudspeaker rated 108 watts at 240 volts, which means that the loudspeaker also operates optimally at 240 volts. They say draw connecting wires to show how the television set and the loudspeaker should be connected to the main power supply. So we know that the loudspeaker, the loudspeaker and the television set should both be operating at 240 volts. So this two will definitely needs to be in parallel. Okay, so this will be the initial connection. Now, let me draw this properly because it's not connected. Okay, then generally we use straight lines. Please don't draw any curvy lines. So at this part, they'll be connected to here. At this part, we'll connect to here. So you can see the loudspeaker, television set, they are connected parallel to the power supply. Okay, next, by showing appropriate calculation, determine a suitable rating for fuse X. So let's what we can do is let's calculate the current needed for each of the appliance. So we know P equals to IV. Let's find the current for the TV. This will be equivalent to P over V. So we know it's 60 watts divided by 240. What you're going to get is 0.25 ampere. We're going to find the I for the loudspeaker. This will be 240. P over V again. This will be 108 divided by 240. This will be equivalent to 0.45 ampere. So the total current that we're going to have, total current, I total, will be equivalent to 0.45 plus 0.25. So what we're going to get is actually 0.70 ampere. Now for fuse rating, there's no 0.70 ampere. It's 0.5. The next higher reading will be 1 ampere. So the fuse rating will suggest will be a 1.0 ampere. Okay, so do take note of that. And lastly, they say both the television set and loudspeakers are switched on for 12 hours. Given the unit cost of electricity is 25 cents, calculate the cost of electricity. So whenever you have such a question, you need to find energy in terms of kilowatt hour. So TV set, we know it is 60 watts. So this will be equivalent, we need to convert it to kilowatts. So this will be 0.060 kilowatts. For the loudspeaker, we know that it is 108 watts. So this will be 0.108 kilowatts. Okay, now imagine that switched on for 12 hours. So the power for the TV plus the power for the loudspeaker, if you add them up, what you're going to get is 0.168 kilowatt. Well, if they're switched on for 12 hours, the total energy equals to P times T. So 0.168 multiplied by 12 hours, what you're going to get is 2.016. Right, 2.016. Now, so to calculate the cost of electricity, the cost, they say that each unit is 0.25. So the cost is actually the rate multiplied by the amount of energy. So the rate we know is $0.25. The energy used is actually 2.016. So if you do your math, actually what you're going to get is 50 cents. So the cost to operate your TV and loudspeaker for 12 hours is actually $0.50 or 50 cents.